Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is a Ford Territory 2015. I'm just going to detail the engine. It's really filthy, it's dusty, and has got a lot of old oil leaks. It's gonna be very simple to detail this engine because this is a diesel and it's very safe to detail them. First of all, we just need to disconnect the battery with it. Then we can start detailing it. I'm going to use 3 or 4 chemicals to complete this work. Like mainly I use water-based degreasers. I mix wax cleaner in it to make it really strong. And I use some acids for metal parts of the car, like engine block and like a lot of like as you guys see, like a silver parts of the metal parts. It's very safe if it comes to any part of the pipes, the hoses or anywhere else. It doesn't do any damage. And as you guys see, the oil leak is really bad and it's dry. It has been replaced after that. But yeah, like overall it looks good now. The thing is, the chemicals what I'm going to use, it's no need to write the names of it here because it's only professional use. But what happened is, like, it doesn't matter what chemical brand you guys use. It's got like bees in the engine bay as well. It doesn't matter what chemical brand you guys use, as long as like for cleaning, like I'm spraying water-based degreasers now. If you mix the water-based degreasers, any brand, and if you mix 10% wax cleaner in it, it will make the engine really great. And then acid is just wheel cleaner acid. You can make it stronger or weaker, doesn't matter. Like if we live in Australia, you can get them like from super cheap Autobahn, or like even Bunnings, you can get them from there as well. They will sell them all. And at the end you can use like a all shine, like to make it like more shiny. But make sure don't use the tie shine. There is a lot of car detailing places when they wash the engine, they spray tie shine on it to make it more shiny, so the customers like it. Actually, when they see it shiny, they love it. But actually it's not good. Like after you drive the car, like 1-2 months later, it collect all the dust on the engine bay. It will be worse than now. So the old shine, it's a vinyl protection actually. It's good for that. So I do recommend you to watch the video. Please subscribe for more if you haven't subscribed it yet. As it is a new channel, I do need your support, guys. If you comment and share, I'd be appreciated. And I would like to thank you guys.
freestyle.